Students, in the previous video we have almost completed the chapter A Thief's Story. In that we have studied in the previous video that the thief Hari Singh, with the fake name, he returned to the room and he kept the money back to its place. Now, I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So when he woke up in the next morning, it was already late and he came to know that Anil, his companion, had made the tea already. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. So he took out his hand and he gave me 50 rupees. My heart sank. I felt quite bad at that time. I had been discovered note between his fingers. Okay, we have studied it. I thought I had been discovered means he was thinking that he has his what he had done. Anil knew it. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Then Anil told him that yesterday I made some money, I was able to get some money, and now I am going to pay you regularly. My spirits rose. My spirits rose means I felt quite happy at that time. Now regularly I am going to get money. But when I look at the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So when I saw the note, I came to know that it was still wet, it was still damp because of the previous night's rain. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. Then he said, today we are going to start writing sentences. Without any expression, he was saying these things. And he knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. So Hari Singh was saying that he knew the truth. I know he knew the truth, but he had not said anything, and even he had not shown anything from his expressions. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So now I smiled at Anil, but that smile was not fake. It was, by my heart. It was not fake at all. Now glossary, these words you can read by your own. So students, before doing this exercise, I want to tell you the questions that were in read and find out. I hope you have done them, but if any of you have not done, so I am going to tell the answers. Who does I refer to in this story? In this story, I refers to the thief, the fake name Hari Singh. What is he? A fairly successful hand at. He was a fairly successful hand at stealing and robbing people. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? When Hari asked Anil if he could work for him, Anil said he could not pay him. Finally, the agreement was that if he would cook, then Anil would feed him. However, Anil soon found out that he did not know how to cook. Therefore, he taught him how to cook and later how to write his name. He promised he would teach him how to write whole sentences and how to add numbers. Apart from this, when Hari went out to buy the day's supplies, he would make a profit of a rupee in a day. So these all the things you have studied with regard to this question. Now the next portion of read and find out. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? The thief thought that on discovering the theft, Anil's face would show a touch of sadness. The sadness would not be for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. Next question. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? In his short career as a thief, he had made a study of men's faces when they lost their goods. He said that the greedy men showed fear, the rich men showed anger, and the poor men showed acceptance. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes, Anil has realized that he had been robbed. He knew this probably because all the notes were wet and damp from the rain. However, he did not say anything to the thief and behaved normally. That was his greatness. So, beta, these are the questions you are supposed to do in your notebook also. They are very important. They are a kind of comprehension work for you. Now we will do these questions from your exercise. Think about it. So, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? You know, this question is a long question. You are supposed to read it in parts. देखो first part हमने पढ़ा, do they change over time? फिर आप दूसरा पढ़ोगे. Then you are supposed, hint is also there, compare. For example, the thought, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thoughts, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. What makes him return to Anil? So आपने इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर को बड़े ध्यान से सुनना है, whatever I am speaking. Fine. Hari Singh comes to Anil house as a servant. Anil offers to educate him. He is overjoyed. But his reaction to the prospect of receiving an education undergo a change with passage of time. In the beginning, he thinks that if he wrote like an educated man, he could achieve limitless success. That success is money. Later, there are some changes in his perception. He feels that if he wrote whole sentences, they could bring him more than a few hundred rupees. Now देखो stealing से दूसरी तरफ आ गया उसका mind. The money loses attraction for him with reference to education here. What he wants from education is to become a big, clever and respected man. You know last lines में आप देखो. This makes him return to Anil because only Anil could teach him as he wants. So very important question. आपने देखना कि shift कैसे हुआ इधर. Now next question. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? So students, we all know that there isn't any doubt that Anil knew about the theft. He knew because how the notes become wet, that was the only reason. So he knew everything. But he did not hand over Hari Singh to police. So the answer is next morning. The next morning, Anil does not find the money missing. But he might have noticed that the notes were very damp. You know, notes were there only, but they were damp. It would have been clear to him that Hari Singh had tried to steal the money. But he does not show any emotion. Hari Singh studies his face. There is no sign of having detected the theft. However, it is possible that he detected the truth. But he does not hand over Hari Singh to the police. He is a large-hearted person. Perhaps Hari Singh coming back changed his mind. But most people do not behave like Anil. We know that. In Anil's position, they could have handed over such persons to the police after beating them by themselves. Anil is different because he decides to reform the thief through kindness and sympathy. So next, do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life? Obviously, it is true that people are becoming materialistic and hard-hearted. But it is not true that people like Anil and Hari Singh are still found in real life also. But their number is very small. They are here. They are in the real world also, real life also, but they are small in number. Do you think it is significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Yes, it is a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer. He leads a hand to mouth existence. Hand to mouth existence means जितना कमाया उतना ही यूज़ कर लिया. He earns money by fits and starts. Sometimes he gets money, sometimes not. So he knows what it means to be without money. He can understand Hari Singh's position. That is why he takes him as a servant, although he has no money to pay him as a salary. He has a large heart. So, although he may have detected the theft of his money, he does not report to the police. So, students, these two questions are left that we will do in the next video, and we will start the next chapter as well. So till then, do your homework properly in your notebooks and revise the chapter thoroughly. Extra questions will be uploaded afterwards. Up to Nelson Mandela, I think you have got the questions from your DAV website. Then the other chapters, that chapter number 1 from this book and this chapter, these questions will also be uploaded to your DAV website. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.